So, hello you beautiful people, this might seem a little bit strange to some of you. So quite a lot of you know me as that one guy who has been using Linux for quite a while. To be frank, Linux is great and all, but there's still one area that Windows is quite unbeatable in, and that is gaming. Believe it or not, when it comes to gaming, I know quite a few people who use Linux that actually have a Windows partition still on their computer because of games that just don't work under Linux, at least as of me recording this video. Believe it or not, a ton of PC games actually have DRM schemes and intrusive DRM that is just super weird, and it shouldn't be part of any game if you want to make it more successful, but I digress. It's their thing. DRM is there to protect the games from piracy, even though they will be correct in a matter of days, if weeks, if not days, or even if not hours. You can see I have quite a few games on my computer. Well, you can't see it, but I have a few games installed on my computer through Steam. I got a few games installed over here on through Battle.net. I have a few games installed through Origin, a few retro games installed. I got a few Rockstar games installed, but that's not the point. The point of today's video is just to talk to you guys about why I actually still have a Windows partition, and this Windows partition only serves one purpose, and that is to let me play the games with my friends. But when it comes to Windows games that are run using Wine, it obviously takes a bit of a hit, sometimes even in hundreds of FPS, which may end up making the game playable or unplayable. In my case, I was really lucky with the games I picked and the games I was playing on the Linux, but I figured I should just address this, that when it comes to playing games and you see me playing a game, you should assume that I'm playing it under Windows. Because when it comes to compatibility with games and gaming hardware in general, Windows just has it down, it just runs really well. If you want to add me on Steam, you definitely can. You can see my username here or over here, it's up to you. I do play games occasionally, so if you see me playing a game, don't hesitate to message me. I am always reachable, no matter what happens. I also play a little bit on their Battle.net, so you can add me over there if you want to. So when it comes to gaming, Windows obviously has an advantage over Linux. When it comes to retro games, this might be a bit of a hot topic when it comes to gaming, because some retro games run better under Linux than they do under Windows. But in my case, all the retro games I have, which aren't that many, are like Christmas games, on which I will be making a video soon on the secondary channel. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be playing a few Christmassy games so that, you know, so I can get you guys on a bit of a festive mood. I'll be spending quite a bit of time editing that video again, and this video that you're watching right now is recorded on the Windows, but will be edited on the Linux, because I still use Linux for most of my work and document writing and spreadsheets and such. So the only purpose that this Windows partition serves me is just to provide the gaming stuff, which it provides really freaking well. Windows still holds the crown as the best operating system for gamers. If you just wanna play games, it's much easier for me to just reboot into my Windows environment, play games there, and once I'm done I can just boot back into my Linux environment and do work there. So as I said originally, this Windows install only serves one purpose, and that is to enable me play those games that I enjoy playing, and it's a lot of fun and I enjoy it a lot. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or ideas or topics you want me to talk about, just let me know down there in the comments, your opinions, your setups, what you are running, how the games are running over there. Yeah, as I mentioned, I'll be making a Christmas gaming video with these Christmas games I have. These are DOS box games, so DOS games, Christmassy DOS games, which I enjoy playing. It will be a bit of a Christmas themed video, which will be coming on Christmas. I want to make those videos good, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys stay safe, enjoy your holidays, and I hope to see all of you beautiful people next time.